So we want to make another wicking bucket. We have a bucket with the lead, and we have 6 soft drink bottle. So first we need to cut the lead to insert the lead to be the separator between the lower part and the upper part. Now we need to cut the bottle in length to be separated. Separate the 2 chambers. We cut all the bottom. Wrist on the middle. It's tight and it's good because we don't want the soil enter to the lower part. Now we need to cut it here for this bottle to enter and take the water from below. Mark and cut. Not right, but we can fix it. It's okay. To make some holes in the bottle to allow the water to wick, to enter. Just cut some triangle. That's enough. Now we cut strips. so it can enter. And when it's in the place, you can fold that way. It's in the place and will not move. Now we need to fill the middle bottle in material too weak. We have cocoa, so we'll fill it in cocoa. And make it foam. Now we need to fill it in soil, but we need to make a hole here below the separator to allow the excess water to spill out. We have here soil, it's made from cocoa and third cocoa, third garden soil, and third homemade compost. Help the bottle to that's all. It's ready for planting. Good day.